How to transfer money with Ally Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to transfer money with Ally Bank in just a few easy steps. First, you gotta open up your Ally mobile app or go to ally.com to log into your account. And from the main dashboard, tap on the transfers button. Once you tap on it, just go ahead and click the option to link other accounts or transfer between Ally accounts if you're moving money with your own account, or transfer to or from another bank if you're sending or receiving funds from an external account. Then you can select the account you're transferring from, and then you can just go ahead and select the account you are transferring to. Then after a verification, enter the amount. You could also pick a transfer date, either today or any other future date, to set it on repeat. Then after reviewing all of the details to make sure everything looks good, tap on the submit button. And right after that, you can confirm your transfer and Ally will make your transfer. Internal transfer are usually instant, while external ones may take a couple of business days. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Give it a like, subscribe for more tips, and I'll see you guys in the next video.